Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the question pertaining to the SSC CHSL paper 2015. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll discuss a few sets of questions pertaining to the qualitative aptitude section. We'll try and take a look at the ideal approach towards the same, and subsequently we'll also take a look at how to tackle each and every one of these questions. If you look at the section in general, on the previous question, we haven't really seen any unexpected sort of question that we might have not seen prior to this. The question were more or less of the similar sort that we have already come to see in the previous year's papers, and the patterns will remain the same. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll discuss a few other types of the question, and subsequently we'll try and solve this question so that we can get ourselves accustomed to the pattern of the question. Whenever we come across this kind of question in any subsequent examinations in the future, we are easily able to solve the same. Okay. Having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. Let's start off 130. D and E are midpoints of side AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. A line drawn from A means BC at H and DE at K. We need to find AK is to KH. Okay, so basically what we have, 13 to draw, we have a triangle. Okay, the triangle is ABC. So A, B, C. Okay, AB and respective side. Line drawn from A meets BC at H. Okay, so we draw a line from A, it meets BC at H. Okay, and DE at K. So what is DE now? For D and E at the midpoint. Okay, so D and E. Okay, D and E. So it is the midpoint, that is, this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Okay, so now what we have, we need to find AK, that is, this is point is K. We need to find AK is to KH. Okay, so now here if we see triangle ADE, no, ADE, hang on. Let's look at the triangle. Okay. Triangle AKD is similar to triangle AHB. Okay, the similar sort of triangles. So therefore, what we can write is AD by AB will be equal to AK by AH. Okay, we can write that. Now, AB is twice AD. AD by twice AB equal to AK by, this is AH. So AH. Okay, we can write that. So this is twice AD. Sorry, my bad. So this AD and AD gets cancelled out. So 1 by 2 equal to AK. So AK can AK plus KH, we can write this. So therefore twice AK equal to AK plus KH. So therefore what we have is AK equal to KH. That is 1, the ratio is 1:1. Okay. So option C will be the answer. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So if that's clear, we'll move on to the next question, 150. Yes, so 115. Okay. A man buys a TV priced at 16,000. He pays 4,000 at once and the rest after 15 months, on which he is charged a simple interest of 12% per year. Okay, total amount he pays for the TV is, okay, so what he actually pays is, the cost is 16,000. Okay, so he pays 4,000 at once. So he pays 4,000. Okay, so amount left will be 12,000. So, which he is basically charged in terms of simple interest at 12% per year for 15 months. So, 15 months, if I look to represent this 15 months in terms of year, what I can do is simply months can be written as say 15 by 12, or we can write this as 5 by 4 years. Okay, we can write this as 5 by 4 years. Now let's finally do one thing. Since this amount is being paid in form of simple interest, so therefore simple interest he needs to pay for the same would be simply 12,000 into 5 by 4 into 100, and the interest rate being 12. Okay, so 15 into 120, so that would come out to be 1800. Okay, it's being 1800 for the same. So therefore amount that would sum up to be 1200 or 12,000 plus 1800, that is 13800. So total amount he pays for TV will be 13800 plus the 4,000 that he initially paid, that is rupees 17800. Option B will be the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear how we came over to the solution of the same. So that's it. Let's move on to 116 now. So we need to find the value of the following function. Okay, so what we have here is sine 47 by cos 43 whole square plus cos 43 plus sine 47 whole square minus square 45. Okay, so this thing we can write sine 90 minus 43 by cos 43 whole square plus cos 90 minus 47 by sine 47 whole square minus 4 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2, so that is 1 by 2. This would further mean cos 43 by cos 43 whole square plus sine 47 by sine 47 whole square minus 2. Okay, cancels out. Basically it gives out 1 plus 1 minus 2, that is 0. Option B is our answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now, having said that, let's move on to the next question, 117. So it's given that a square plus b square plus c square equal to ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so now further what we can actually do here is a 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square plus 2ab equals to 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, this will be represented with this term. So a square minus 2ab plus b square plus b square minus 2bc plus c square plus c square minus 2ca plus a square equal to 0. Which can be further written as a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square equal to 0. Okay. So now as you can see, all these terms sum up to be 0. That is, each and every term individually will be 0. Means a minus b equal to 0 and b minus c equal to 0 and c minus a equal to 0. That is, a will be equal to b, b will be equal to c and c will be equal to a. That is, a equal to b equal to c. Okay. So therefore, a plus c by b can be written as a plus a by a. That is 2. Okay. See, is the answer. So I hope this is clear as well. Having said that, we'll move on to the very last question. The difference between the greatest and the least 4-digit number that begin with 3 and ends with 5 is, okay, so the number should, it's a 4-digit number. It begins with 3 and ends with 5. So the greatest number of the same would be 99 and the least number would be 3500. Okay. And if we differentiate the same, 0990, that is 990 will be our answer. So option D. This is a fairly simple question. So with that said, we have come to the end of the video. So in case you have any doubt with regards to any question that we have solved, kindly go through the video multiple times, at least as many times as you feel necessary for you to understand the concepts of the same, and then subsequently try and solve this question on your own so that you can get a better idea on how to approach this sort of question in the future. Okay, and use this video as a reference as well while you are solving the same. With that said, in case you are looking for a detailed solution of this kinds of questions and further down the line pertaining to the VA section, QA section, LRDI section, feel free to connect with us. So what you can do is that basically you can visit the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details like our website URL, wherein you can visit our website and connect with us. You can also find our email address, you can connect with us through that, and also via call, WhatsApp and text messages, you will find the numbers pertaining to the same as well. So feel free and connect with us in case you want a detailed solution of the question paper in general, or also in case you need any kind of help with regards to your exam preparation of any competitive examination, or if you have any subject-wise doubt, or you need a guidance with respect to any examination or studies in general, we'll be more than happy to help you out. Also, in case you're looking for any online classes of sorts across any kind of examination, we'll be there to help you on those lines as well. So feel free to connect with us via any of the media. Lastly, all these 5 questions that we discussed are totally of different sorts. I emphasize once again that go through the video as many times as you are comfortable enough, that you understood the concepts, and subsequently try and solve this question so that you can get a better understanding on the approaches involved. Okay. So please do that, and then subsequently try and solve this question on your own so that you can get a general idea on how to proceed with this kinds of question. So in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing our discussion on this sort of topics in the subsequent videos, wherein we'll cover a few more questions of different sorts from this particular section. So having said that, right now I'm signing off. Thank you so much.